ISRO.
Hi sir. What's your name sir? Mahendra. You are from? Nizamabad. Okay. What was the problem you were facing? Fracture or
Reconstruction.
okay. So the surgery or some population or procedure is it? So surgery. How do you feel on that? Okay. And you are from Nizamabad, no? Yes. So tell me about the hospital, German day. How is it feeling? Hospital staff and our doctor. They are patient. So you feel completely. So out of the 5, how many reviews you do?
5 star.
5. So totally it's very good, sir. Thank you very much.